leader of Crimea's Tatars has proposed the 300,000-strong indigenous Muslim minority gains autonomy on the Black Sea Peninsula. Refat Çubarov told over 200 delegates at the top Crimean Tatars assembly that the community was putting the world on notice that it is seeking self-rule.
We are talking about the rights of the Crimean Tatar people to self-determination, possibly all the way to national and social autonomy. We are addressing the governments of all countries with no exception. We are especially addressing the governments of those countries which have areas of their federations whose borders are determined by the rights of ethnic majorities living within those areas.
The Tatars did not specify whether, if they obtain autonomy, they will want to be part of Russia or Ukraine. The vote is a challenge to Russian autocrat Vladimir Putin, who annexed the region following the recent referendum, which was boycotted by Tatars and held under the barrel of a Kalashnikov. Tatars resided in Crimea prior to the territory being incorporated into the Soviet Union. During the reign of tyrant Joseph Stalin, the Tatars were purged from Crimea. Many returned following the collapse of the Soviet Union, but now there are fears that Putin will ethnically cleanse the peninsula once again. Thousands of ethnic Tatars have already fled Crimea following Russia's annexation of the Black Sea Peninsula. Over 1,000 have arrived in the western Ukraine city of Lviv, with scores more in capital Kiev. The refugees, many of them women and children, took just a few essentials before fleeing from Crimea.